Mic check, mic check. In this example, we'll be wiring a dual voltage three-phase motor for low voltage operation. So, on your name tag, this is the name tag on the motor. This is the same wiring diagram that's over here. And what it's saying is, I know it's kind of vague, you can't see it too clear, but this is T4, this is T5, and this is T6. This is T7, T8, and T9, T1, T2, and T3. This is L1, L2, and L3. So here they're telling you to connect T4 to 5 and 5 to 6. Here they're telling you to connect T1 to 7, T2 to 8, and T3 to 9. The L connections are connections coming from another location. Okay? So let's wire it. Now, in the lab, I asked you guys to connect T4, T5, and T6. I'd like you to jumper them with black wires. So this is T4, jumper to T5, jumper to T6. We like to keep that black. T1, actually this is T1. This is labeled different in here. This is T1 here. T1 is supposed to go to T7, T2 to T8, and T3 to T9. So that's a little different than the nameplate. This is how it's a plate out there that's got it labeled this way. This is the Y configuration. So we want to make sure that we keep these red, 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 and keep these black. And the wires that's coming in from any other location, make that black. So that'll be your L1, L2, and L3. Make these black. It'd be easier for me to troubleshoot if you have a problem. And what you want to do is try to wire this first before you start wiring your control circuit. So actually these will be coming from here. Let's plug them in. Let's erase this. Because we got our power supply. So this is, I believe this is L1, L2, and L3. I could be wrong, and that could be neutral. So anyway, we're going to come over here to L1, L2, and L3. Something like that. L1 to T1, L2 to T2, L3 to T3. Any questions?